Industrial cleaning is a critical aspect of maintaining operational efficiency and safety across a wide range of sectors in Nigeria, from manufacturing to food processing, oil and gas, and brewing. In this video we will be discussing the frequently asked questions about industrial cleaning. Firstly, what are the key benefits of industrial cleaning? Industrial cleaning helps preserve equipment, reduce downtime, prevent accidents, ensure compliance with health and safety regulations, and maintain a clean, productive working environment. Secondly, what tools are essential for industrial cleaning? Essential tools for industrial cleaning include pressure washers, industrial vacuum cleaners, steam cleaners, and floor scrubbers. These tools help keep workspaces free from grime, debris, and other contaminants. Thirdly, how can I choose the right cleaning agent for my industry? The choice of cleaning agent depends on the nature of the residue or contaminants in your industry. Degreasers work for oily substances, acid cleaners remove mineral deposits, and disinfectants ensure hygiene in food processing or healthcare sectors. With the help of this video, you now understand the frequently asked questions about industrial cleaning. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on frequently asked questions about industrial cleaning, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.